What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 1972 Charger. This one's got the 340 under the hood. Very clean. This is a very clean car inside and out. Definitely check out the walk-around videos and I can show that off to you. We want you to know everything about these cars before you come up here to buy. So check both videos out. Check close to the 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. I can get you financed, and yeah, I can ship these cars all around the nation. In this video here, we're gonna be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws running and driving wise. And it's that time, guys. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna check out the interior. This one's got power windows. It's showing 42,000 miles on the dash. It's hard to stand behind that with such an old car. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Looking across the dash, checking everything out. Carpet's nice, seats are nice. Everything's nice and clean in this one. Headliner looks great, package tray looks good. Let's go ahead and start her up. Starts up nice and easy. This is a 4-speed. Go ahead and shut this door so I'm not listening to that buzz. Blower motor works in this one. Wiper, let's try it, works in this one as well. Radio. Wow, that old radio works. Tip gauge is coming up on the dash. Alternator gauge is working. Oil pressure gauge is working. Clock. Only thing it's not working is the clock. All right, you ready for this horn? Everything else is working. What do you think? That's what I'm talking about. Digging around looking for the seat belts. Got one, I'm gonna put it on. Everything that I can tell about this car, I will say it right in the open in front of y'all. We got a lot of paperwork here, engine build data. Man, looks like they've replaced a lot of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna keep that with the car so that you have that for documentation. Old power windows work. Even the one you're on. All right. Clutch is letting out right at the tip top. Everything feels nice and tight though. Such a slick car going down the road here. Steering's nice and straight, very sensitive. Speedometer's coming up. Brakes feel good on this one. This has guy seen me coming, he got on it himself in front of us. Car feels pretty quick. Turn signals are clicking. And they're popping up on the dash. It looks nice and bright on both sides. Power steering's nice and smooth. private car. Everything's been taken care of. You can really tell on this one. Not gonna lie, it's pretty fun to drive too. I love the shifter setup. Car's nice and quiet. The suspension feels good. Body feels good as we're driving. All right, I'm gonna get some outside shots. We're gonna take this thing and drive by the camera a few times, see what it sounds like. We're gonna drive over the camera and give you some undercarriage shots. You can see all of my gear that I use below in the description, so check that out, guys. We'll go ahead and check, see if the brake works. It does. Good deal. This car just feels good sitting in. Go ahead and get y'all positioned properly here and shut my door. Hopefully y'all can see everything just as well as I can. I haven't put it in reverse for y'all yet. Yeah, reverse is all the way over. Goes in reverse just fine. Let's try not to stall it for us. Waiting on the traffic to go by. Turn on this road right here. It's got a moderate speed bump in it. This car has got great suspension, so probably won't even notice we hit it. But I figured I haven't got on this car this whole time, so we'll do it right here. Bump's right here. Couldn't even tell we hit the bump. That's funny. She gets down though. Car feels great. All right, we're gonna pull back into the lot here, do a little walk around on this one so that you know everything about it. Well, park right in the front. I'll go around. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Guys, I appreciate you riding along with me today. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures of this car, inside out and underneath. You can get financed through my website, and we can ship these cars to you all around the country. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. I try to post stuff every day. I do appreciate y'all joining me. Go ahead and check out the walk around. I'm getting ready to do it right after I get off this video. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again, guys.